Jim Thompson again. I wanted to explain to you how to use the Paperitalo supplier directory. The Paperitalo supplier directory is found at www.suppliers.ipulpmedia.com. I'm looking over on another screen to see that in case you wonder what I'm doing. But www.suppliers.ipulpmedia.com. But I'm going to show you another way to get to it and how it works. So let's go over to the screen. And over on this screen, we have NIP Impressions open. And it has two locations here for you to get directly to the supplier directory. Right here, Paperitalo supplier directory, or right here, Paperitalo supplier directory. So we'll go to it here. And there it is, right there. Now, this is a GUI or graphical user interface, so you can go to any part of the departments of the facility from here. We're going to go to the paper machine, and we just click on paper machine, and there it is. It opens up, and we find on this page that there are 3 advertisers who have chosen to have a prominent ad, but we have plenty of other advertisers on here with lower quality ads, and they're listed alphabetically. Additives, there's 30 suppliers here, and you can take a look at those or whatever you'd like to do. So that's it. It's simple. All you need to do is go to www.suppliers.ipulpmedia.com, click on your department, and you have got a good list of suppliers. Thanks.